We are here at 1280 North Old Mill Drive in Deltona, Florida. This wonderful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has over 2,000 square feet, and you have your own private pool. And it doesn't stop there. The elementary and the middle school are just walking distance away, and the Deltona Golf Club is right across the street. And to top it all off, you are only 30 minutes away from Daytona Beach. Come on in, let's check out this house. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. This home has so much to offer. Please reach out to the area.This team for your private showing.